is Canada's top candy box.
We have candy.
Oh, is it like a monthly box of candy?
Oh my gosh, no way.
Oh, cool.
Oh my gosh.
Moon Pie Bites. It's more fun as a bites. Haribo or Garibo. Yep, so ghostly gummies.
Which is teeth, so it's like candy.
Pumpkin
Caramels.
spice caramels. Nice.
Aw,
Sugar
that's
babies,
awesome.
caramel apple,
Oh, cool.
and
Ghost Twix. That's cool.
pumpkin patch orange pop rocks,
Oh, cool.
Oh.
and
That is so cool.
Celebrate Project Candy Box's 3rd birthday this November. We made it to our not so terrible 2s, and we could have done it without your support. To celebrate, we're planning a special box with more items and fun surprises. Keep the fun going with your next candy box.
Nice.
Cool.
I like it.